I'm Brittany, and this is No End Adventure. Bienvenue à Stoneham Mountain. Welcome to Stoneham Mountain. We're just 25 minutes outside of Quebec City, and this small but gorgeous ski resort has been our place to stay for the last 2 nights.
Skiing was our top priority for this trip, but the resort has more to offer. Get pampered at the spa, hop on a snowmobile, or pull on a pair of ice skates. If the time of year is right, you can also submerge in one of the outdoor hot tubs. The resort provides 42 ski runs ranging from novice to expert. There are 3 snow parks and even an Olympic halfpipe. The mountain was a true winter wonderland. We visited late in March, so the spring melt had already begun, but luckily for us 2 Floridians, overnight snowfall still fed a soft blanket of white over the serene and majestic landscape. The runs were almost private. We meandered through spacious fields of balsam fir, white spruce, and yellow birch, hearing only the sound of powder being crushed under our feet. Stoneham Mountain is known for being one of the largest night skiing resorts in the country. If you choose to ski under the stars or not, the spectacle of watching others is definitely worth your time. Our trip to Stoneham Mountain Resort was an incredible one, and we look forward to visiting again. Check out our blog for more details. Visit noendadventure.com or find us on your favorite social media platform.